Thank y'all for tuning in. This is Wealth Strategist Window on IG. Go follow me on IG, Wealth Strategist Window. This is another Trade Junkies Investment Group Academy information. So all this information that you're going to see right now is just for informational purposes only. These are not investments that you should get in. Any investment that you get in, you should definitely do your research in them. Thank you. So we're going to start off by just taking a look at a chart on how to actually use these indicators, right? So if you looked at my previous video, I showed y'all how to actually add these indicators onto your screen. And just like I say, these can be used just for, any type of trading, stock trading, Forex trading, penny stock trading, option trading, just about any style of trading you can actually use these indicators for. All right, so if you look left, or if you look on your indicator, look at down at the bottom, this is called the RSI. So the RSI is actually a momentum indicator, a movement indicator. So pretty much everything that the RSI does, pretty much that's kind of like the pattern that the candlesticks are going to make, right? So in any trading, what do they always say? Follow the trend, right? Well, as you can see, indicators are here to show you the trend and show you where support and resistance are, right? That's what I like to say that the indicators are there for. They're there for support and resistance, and they're also there to show you where the trend is going, right? So this is what I use the actual 50-yard line, which is the 50 EMA, and then the aqua line, which is the 200 EMA, right? So that's kind of like the strongest type of support would be the 200 EMA. So when you see them bunching together like this is literally a consolidation area. So this right here is considered a consolidation area, right? It's consolidated, it doesn't know where it wants to go. It eventually breaks out consolidation, pulls back, and eventually is at a support line right now, right? So at support, so these are simple things that you have to look at as well, on top of the indicators, on top of what you can actually see in these markets. So the RSIs, they're squeezing together, but if price is above the RSIs, as you can see, above the RSIs, all right, see, look, above, that's an uptrend. That's considered an uptrend. So you're gonna be looking for buys. Only buys going on right here. This is a pullback right here. You're gonna learn that in other videos. So this usually just comes down to the 50-yard line and bounces off the 50-yard line. If it retraces anymore, if it breaks below the 50-yard line, it's gonna be a downtrend. So as you can see, downtrend. Boom, what did it hit? It hit the 200 EMA. Now, it passed the 200 EMA, but you have to understand that it still is a support line of resistance. So it's not going to go far away from that EMA. So this is where it started getting into consolidation, right? Sideways markets. All right, then it actually broke out of consolidation, but now where's the indicators? Where are they? They're below price. This is considered price. The candlesticks are considered price, where this line right here is considered price, right? So they're actually above the indicators, meaning it's an uptrend, right? So we're going to be looking for nothing but buys. And, when it's a downtrend, we're going to be looking for nothing but sales, those who are trading Forex, right? You can trade these on the buys and the sells, the calls and the puts on options, right? So that's just really how you can actually read and look at, the different RSI indicators on how they can actually help you determine where price is going. And then the RSI down at the bottom pretty much shows a lot of support resistance. The top red is a strong sell zone. That's why I got the red. And then in the middle, it's going to be mostly like consolidation, where you don't really want to be trading. But then when it breaks out of consolidation, you catch the sell, right? Down to this zone, right? And if you look right here, these zones pretty much, let me do a line on a horizontal, no, a vertical line on how accurate this indicator was at that entry. You see what I'm looking at? This entry right here for the buy. That indicator matched up perfectly as far as a support resistance. So this is an oversold zone. So it means you want to buy from down here. That's why I got blue down here for buy, red up here for sell, right? So that would have been a perfect, buy entry, below the, around the 200, add a strong buy zone on the RSI. You would have caught that up for a couple of days. It could have been a long-term trade for you, right? If you want to do it, be more type of a swing trader, and then since this is Europe JPY, these are counted in pips. So that was 308 pips in how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's a week. That's pretty much a week and 3 days. So it was a week, and then the next week when the market hopped back on, it pretty much did a sideways and reversed and went back down. So you could at least caught 300 pips. So calculating 300 pips with the standard lot, pretty much is times that by 10, meaning adding a zero, which means you would have made $3,088, $3,080, within a matter of a week and a half. So not bad, if you're patient enough to hold that trade. But this is just showing you how to actually use the indicators in order to make money. So, with that being said, thank y'all for tuning in to this Trade Junkie Investment Group educational video. If y'all want to stay linked in, smash the subscribe button and comment below. In the description, I will have a actual link that you can actually, get involved with the community, get involved with our of this movement that we have going on in the investment realm. We're here to educate and empower people through, their finances. So Wealth Strategist Window over and out. I appreciate y'all. Peace.